Changing your Microsoft email password isn't a Herculean task, but it's one of those things you put off until it becomes urgent. Forgot your password? Somebody hacked your account? Or maybe you just feel like switching passwords for better security. I'll walk you through it step by step. First, let's get you to the starting line. Open your browser and head over to the Microsoft website at account.microsoft.com. Yes, typing it correctly matters. No weird typos or your computer might throw you to some scammy dark web corner. Trust me, I've been there. Now, log in like you normally would. If logging in is the problem, find that Forgot My Password link below the fields. Click that, follow the prompts, and verify your identity, likely through email or phone. Microsoft makes you jump through some hoops, but hey, it's for your own protection. Once logged in, look for the Security tab. It's like the holy grail of the dashboard, but labeled plainly. You can't miss it. Click on it, and then you'll see a bunch of options. Focus on password security. That's your golden ticket here. You'll probably get hit with a security prompt, asking you to verify your identity again. Think of it as Microsoft making sure you're not a basement hacker somewhere. Enter the code they send to your email or phone, and you're cleared. Now, here's where the magic happens. You'll be greeted with fields to enter your current password and your new password twice. Be smarter than the average person and pick something strong. Think upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or password. Here's a pro tip. Use a password manager to generate and store your password securely. It's 2023, and nobody's got time to remember 15-character randomized strings. I personally use 1Password, but there are plenty of options. Once you've entered your new password twice, click Save or Submit, whatever button is there. That's it. You're basically done on this page. Simple, right? But hold on, the work isn't technically finished. Next, update the new password for your Microsoft email account in any apps or devices where you use it. Forgetting this step can lock you out of services until you figure it out. That's always a fun time during a workday. Common pain point? Your devices might start bombarding you with error messages about invalid credentials. This happens because they're trying to sync with the old password. Quickly go to your phone's email app or Outlook to update the password there. Speaking of Outlook, if you're a Windows user, you may also have to update your password directly in the app. Head to Account Settings, find your email account, and edit the password. Again, save it, and you're golden. If you're one of those people who resets passwords often, here's a little hack. Set a recurring reminder every 3 or 6 months to change your key passwords. It keeps your account safer and minimizes risks of hacks. You'll thank yourself later. Lastly, tell nobody your new password. Write it down nowhere except in a secure place like your password manager. You'll be tempted to share it for convenience, but that's always a bad choice. Stay disciplined. And there you go, back to inbox zero.